In today's video we're going to be comparing two medium format colour slide films together. The first one needs no introduction. It's a brand new film from Kodak Ektachrome E100 that was released late last year. And we're going to be comparing that to a film that's been around for a while and is very well respected by Fujifilm, is Provia 100F. Now I recently had the pleasure of shooting both these films on a couple of trips that I did to the Redwoods in Rotorua, right here in New Zealand. I had a fantastic time exploring the Redwoods and testing out these films, and if you haven't seen those vlogs I encourage you to check them out, and I will put a link up in the video for you to do that. So just a couple of details just to go over my approach to shooting these films. Both films were taken on my Mamiya 7 with a number of different lenses ranging from the 50mm lens to the 80mm lens and the 150mm lens. All the images were taken with a tripod, so there was no handheld shots being taken. I used my Volcanic 758 light meter, and I specifically used the spot meter function, and I approached my images with the zone system in mind. Once I finished my film, I packed them up and I shipped them up to Auckland to be developed by PCL. They do a fantastic job and I always use them, and they really do give good results. Once I received the film back from PCL, I scanned it into my computer with my Epson V800 scanner, and just to clarify, when I did that I colour calibrated my scanner for both films, and I did that with these colour calibration charts that I received. One is specifically for Ektachrome and the other one is specifically for Provia. Very shortly you're going to see a slideshow, and just to clarify, the colours that you're going to see are based on these colour calibration charts. So once I got the scans into my computer, I uploaded them to Lightroom and I made a couple of adjustments. I only made a few adjustments, and they were mainly crop, white point and black point, and I made no colour adjustments whatsoever. So now you're going to see a slideshow where I compare a number of different shots from those trips side by side, and you're going to see that right now, and then we'll catch up towards the end and give some thoughts on the film. So hopefully you enjoyed that slideshow, and I would be interested to know from your point of view, if you were going to go out shooting woodland photography, would you take with you E100 or Provia 100F? Leave a comment down below and let me know what you think. In terms of what I think for woodland photography, I think that E100 produces quite dark shadows with an obvious blue cast, and I think that blue cast bleeds over a little bit into the green leaves. I think that Provia 100F produces much more natural colours. I think that the reds and the greens are nicer to look at, and I also think that it has more dynamic range than Ektachrome. I'd also be interested to hear from you what you think both of these films are suited for. Do you think E100 is better for sunrise and sunsets or daytime photography, or do you think Provia 100 is better for sunrise and sunsets or woodland photography or any other type of photography for either of these films? Let me know what your experiences are and your thoughts are in the section below. That would be awesome. So that's it for today's video. Thank you for tuning in, and just as a bit of a heads up for what's coming up, I recently did a vlog where I shot Pan F50 in medium format with my Mamiya 7 on a trip that I recently did up to the far north of New Zealand, so stay tuned for that. I'm also going to be doing a review of this camera, my Mamiya 7. I've had this camera now for at least 6 months, and I now kind of feel like I've used it so much that I'm in a position to give an honest review of it, so that's going to be coming up as well, so stay tuned for that. So that's it, thank you for tuning in. If you like these videos, please subscribe to my channel, hit the like button and leave me a comment. That would be greatly appreciated. And also check out my Facebook page and my Instagram page. And I will see you next time. Thanks for tuning in. Bye for now. Take care.